Welcome to BrokerCheck, your reliable source for unbiased reviews of online brokers. Today, we're reviewing Capitalix, a leading online trading platform that offers access to a variety of financial instruments, including forex, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. But before we start, make sure to read our risk disclaimer carefully. Capitalix is fully licensed and regulated by the Financial Services Authority, FSA, of Seychelles, ensuring that it follows the highest international regulatory standards and best business practices. The broker is committed to providing a transparent investing experience regarding its pricing, commissions, and procedures, which allows traders to trade with peace of mind. One of the standout features of Capitalix is the automatic rollover for expiring contracts free of charge. This allows traders to keep their current positions open without affecting their account's equity. The modern proprietary trading platform offered by Capitalix is a reliable and intuitive tool that can cater to the needs of traders of all levels. Capitalix also offers no fees or commissions for both deposits and withdrawals, making it easy and convenient for clients to manage their funds. In addition, Capitalix offers different account types, each with different spreads, leverage, and benefits. Traders can choose from basic, silver, gold, platinum, and VIP accounts, depending on their trading needs and experience level. Capitalix also provides excellent customer support with multiple channels for customers to contact them, including email, telegram, telephone, and live chat. The company offers support in multiple languages, including English, Arabic, Spanish, Thai, Malayu, German, and French. Capitalix offers over 150 trading assets, including major, minor, and exotic forex currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, commodities such as gold and oil, indices, and CFD shares. Capitalix's proprietary trading platform is available for both desktop and mobile devices, providing an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be easy to use and features a variety of tools and resources to help traders make informed investment decisions. Deposits and withdrawals at Capitalix are fast and convenient, with no fees or commissions charged by the broker. Capitalix offers a variety of deposit and withdrawal methods for its clients, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, and various e-wallets. However, clients should note that banking or payment service provider fees or conversion charges relating to client deposits and withdrawals via the selected payment method shall be paid exclusively by the client. Capitalix is committed to the safety and security of its clients' funds and personal data. The broker keeps clients' funds segregated from company funds in Tier 1 banking institutions, ensuring that they cannot be used by the broker or its liquidity providers under any circumstances. Additionally, Capitalix employs top-notch technology to ensure the safety and security of client funds and personal data, including AML policies, data encryption, and SSL encryption. While Capitalix has many advantages, there are some potential drawbacks that traders should be aware of. The broker only offers accounts denominated in EUR and USD, which may not be ideal for traders who prefer to use other currencies. The broker also does not offer a wide range of trading platforms, and the number of trading instruments available is limited to around 150, which may not be sufficient for traders looking for a more extensive range of trading options. Finally, Capitalix charges fees for inactivity, which can be a disadvantage for traders who do not trade regularly. In summary, Capitalix is a regulated and reliable broker that provides traders with access to many useful features and tools. The company's multiple account types, automatic rollover, excellent customer support, and competitive pricing are some of the reasons why traders choose Capitalix. Potential clients should also be aware of the broker's limitations, such as the limited trading instruments, but overall, while Capitalix may not be the perfect broker for every trader, it is certainly a broker that is worth considering. Traders should carefully evaluate their trading needs and experience level before choosing Capitalix or any other broker. By doing so, they can make an informed decision that can help them achieve their financial goals.